Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very interesting because I'm going to show you in a very simple way how to understand if a product that you're buying is suitable for your skin or not. For example, it could be lotion, it could be toner, a night cream, a day cream, face wash, anything that you buy for your face. There's a simple way to find out whether this is suitable for your face, is going to have the same effect that you're expecting, and is not going to be harmful for your skin. It has definitely happened to all of us that we buy the wrong product and we apply it on our skin, and our skin turns to be too oily, too dry, irritated, pimples appear, or many other things. This is because this product is not right for us, and there's a simple way to measure and understand if the product suits our skin to avoid all of these problems, and that's simply to read a pH of the product that you always buy. Probably a lot of you know that pH stands for potential hydrogen in a product. So by measuring the pH of anything, you would understand if it's going to be right and suitable for you or not. You can measure the pH of anything, almost like any kind of cream, toner, face wash, masks, anything. It's a simple way to do that, and I'm gonna today show you in this video simply how you can yourself at home measure all the pH products that you have for your skin. Before I go ahead and show it to you, I should tell you that measuring the pH product only applies to anything that there is water as an ingredient in that product. And if the product you want to use or you want to measure does not have and contain water in it, there is no way that you can measure a pH of that product, and there is no pH basically in that product that you should measure. For example, you cannot measure the pH of an essential oil or an oil because there is no water in that oil. So always measure a product pH which you know that there is water. For example, creams, toners, face wash, masks. These products, they definitely have water as an ingredient in them, and you can always measure the pH of these products. So basically the pH rates a number of 1 to 14, and number 7 is counted as neutral, and whatever the number of the pH of anything is less than 7, it means it's going towards being acidic, and whatever the number of a pH of a product is more than 7, it means that product is towards alkaline. So to know if a product is suitable for our skin and is going to have the good effect that we are going to expect from that product, we should know first what is the pH of a human skin, and based on that we can just measure any product and compare it to our own pH skin and to understand if it's suitable or not. The pH number of a human skin is always 5.5. It's a little bit towards being acidic, so any product that you're applying on your face, it needs and must be something around your pH of your skin, and if it's too acidic, it's going to burn your face, and if it's too alkaline, is not going to be suitable for your skin and it's going to damage it. So what's the way that we can just easily measure pH of anything in our own house? There's a simple way for that, and I'm going to show you. You can use the pH reader cards here, which are very cheap, and you can just buy them online, or simply you can buy the digital one and use them. It doesn't really make any difference. I can show you in this box. There are the small little cards here with 4 colors, as you see, and when you just put this card in any product that you want to measure its pH, the card turns, after 1 minute, the card turns to be one of these colors, one of these 4 colors which shows on the packaging, which each of them has a number, and when the card colors goes anything near to any of these numbers, it means the pH of that product is that number. It's very easy. I'm going to show you with one of my products how to do that, and then you can simply always do it by yourself. One important thing to tell you before going ahead is that you cannot just place your pH reader directly in any product and read the pH. It is not possible. You always have to mix your product with a specific ratio of distilled water, and then after you can just measure the pH of that product. The ratio of mixing distilled water with any product for measuring the pH is always 10 to 100 or 1 to 10. What does it mean? It means that you have to add, for example, a cream. If you have to add 1 gram of your cream into 9 gram of a distilled water and mix it, and then you measure the pH. Or you can just add 10 grams of your cream or serum or anything with 90 grams of distilled water and then measure the pH of the product. It always works like that. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to show you the pH of one of my creams that I have. The online shopping link to buy this pH cards reader for different countries are at the description box of this video. It's very suitable price. You can just go to the link and you can just buy it. Or if you like to buy the digital one, there's a link in the description box that you can just go ahead and buy the digital one, which is much easier, more accurate. It's just all up to you.